We are back for a new wireless image transmission system from Holland. It's called the MAURO'S 400S. I am Mauro and I will run down straight to the end point of this big hall to test actually the wireless image transmission system and how far we can get that image wireless transmission. Let's get starting. For a prosumer related product, this is actually making a lot, and you can get a range for more than 100 meters and get almost no lag at all. It's actually kind of 0.1. Let's get back into the studio for a true in-depth review. Back into the studio. In the past, I also tested the MAURO'S 300 wireless image transmission system from Holland, and if you want to check that video, we made also a short sketch and the link will be in the description. Thanks PairGear for sending me over this review unit. Let's get straight to the unboxing. In the box you will get the MAURO'S Holland 400 transmitter, the MAURO'S Holland 400 receiver, the wall power adapter, mounting plate, USB-C to USB-A converter and 5 antennas. A spare one included. If you get it through PairGear, you will get 2 additional hot shoe 1/4 tiltable mounts and a cleaning pouch. The Holland Mars 400S works with Sony NP900 battery series, just like my NP970 version. On the transmitter on the right side you will find the on and off switch button and the power in port. On the left side there is an USB-C upgrade port, HDMI in and SDI in port, so you can work with almost any camera like Arri, Reds and most of other cinema cameras that use SDI ports. The receiver, rather than the HDMI in, has the HDMI out port. When you turn on both the receiver and the transmitter, they will automatically connect pretty fast, giving you the visuals of the signal strength connection, channel and the transmission resolution. Entering menu system of the transmitter, you will be able to select the scene mode, image mode for more image quality, balance mode or speed mode so you'll be able to balance between the image quality and connection strictness in areas where you get more interference. On the system settings, there is the language and pairing option. And there is also the version info. On the receiver, we'll get the channel scan rather than the scene mode from the transmitter. There is also great app support, so you don't actually need an outside screen or actually to bring on your receiver, because your transmitter will transmit directly to your smartphone screen with some great other features. So you can app live stream to your phone or tablet straight from the transmitter. Downloading the Hollyland app, you just scan the barcode on the back of your Mars 400 transmitter and you are ready to stream. On the app you'll get some advanced features built in, like waveforms, histogram, focus picking, zebras, frame mode, magnify, file colors, monocolors, and apply a 3D LUT. Actually, you will be able to record the stream on your smartphone. And if you need just a snap, you can just take a picture of the stream. On top you'll be able to select the frequency of the channel and the quality, adding also a watermark. A great solution if you don't want to carry on the receiver and an additional screen with all the batteries if you don't have any more space in your backpack. Both the receiver and the transmitter have built-in active fan cooling that gives you a small buzz sound that is only hearable if you are in a really quiet environment. The fans that are blowing out air from the top of the Mars 400 system are really quiet and you don't have to bother actually to get any noise from your microphone. So let's go for some conclusions, and should you go for a system like that. This product will be really convenient if you're stepping up your production and your DP want the full scene on a big screen. Your client want a first look on the shooting, or actually if you want a smartphone tablet ready stream option. At this price point there is no other image transmission system that will give you SDI input and transmission for the big bore cameras. You will be actually future-proof if you get a big bore camera like an Red or Arri Alexa. What do you think, guys? Comment section down below. Thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe with the bearing icon to get notified every time I make a new video, and see you on my next one.